The perimeter of a square is 1/4 perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of square is 1/4 perimeter of a rectangle. If perimeter of square is 44 centimeter, therefore perimeter is equal to 44 centimeter is equal to 4 into side. Therefore 4a is equal to 44. A is equal to 11 centimeter. A bar side is equal to 11 centimeter. And length of rectangle is 51 centimeter. Length of rectangle is 51 centimeter. Perimeter of square 44 is equal to 1/4 of perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B. 44 into 4 is equal to 2 into length of rectangle എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 51 plus B. 44 into 4 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 176 is equal to 51 into 2 102 plus 2B. 176 minus 102. 6 minus 2 4 74. 176 minus 102 is equal to 2B. 74 is equal to 2B. Therefore, breadth of rectangle is equal to 74 divided by 2, 37 centimeter. So, breadth എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 37 centimeter. ചോദിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് breadth of rectangle minus side of square. Breadth of rectangle കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു 37 centimeter minus side of square 11 centimeter is equal to 26 centimeter.